If you're trying to install the NVIDIA app and getting error code 0xE6000000, don't worry. Here's a simple fix. First, go to the official NVIDIA website and select your graphics card along with your operating system. Then click Find and download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once the download is complete, open the installer and allow it to make changes to your system. Make sure both NVIDIA graphics driver and NVIDIA app are selected, then agree to the terms and continue. You can choose Express Installation for a quick setup or Custom if you want more control over the process. Now wait for the installation to complete. After installation, the NVIDIA app will automatically install along with the driver. Once everything is done, just simply launch the NVIDIA app and the error should be fixed. If you're still facing the issue, try restarting your PC and run the installer again as administrator. That's it. Your driver and app should now be properly installed and working without any errors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.